to Coding App Create. This is Sarvasat here. In this video I will show you how to add user to your WordPress website and how to remove them. I will show you step by step. It's a very easy tutorial, and when you log it to your WordPress panel, to your website backend, you can go to users and all users. Here you can see all the users in your website. I have only myself on my website. If you have some other people to manage your website, you can add them from here. Add new. Let's find a temporary email, and here you will write some required fields here. For example, username, test. Here the email is required. Here you can choose the language and the password. This is the email for required field, and first name, last name, and the website. If you want, you can skip and keep them empty, but this is the language of that user, and here is the password section. You can generate passwords or you can write your own password. So, and here is the notification. If you choose this option, there will be a message email sent to this email address, which we are going to register this. And here is the rule. If you want to make someone like editor, you can choose the editor rule, or author, contributor, and the lowest rule, which is subscriber. Make sure you don't add anyone as administrator or editor to your website if you don't trust 100% that person. Okay, I will choose contributor, or it's not important right now. I want to add this, and the user successfully added. And here is, it also shows you the contributor, the role of that user, the posts he has done or she has done, and name. Because there is no name, it shows just empty. And now if you want to remove that user, you can directly delete that and confirm. Or if you want to edit that user account or that user, you can edit that about their admin panel, theme, language, or the role, first name, last name. This is the nickname. This is a display which will be shown on the website when someone sees this user on your website. Okay, now if I want to delete this user, I go back to users, and here I can choose that, or I can directly delete that. Delete user, apply, and confirm. That's it, guys. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you want to watch more video tutorials in the future, make sure you have subscribed to Coding App Create, and also like this video and leave a comment. I hope to see you in the next video.